website presentation for the Class CIT 336, and this is the Acme website. This week we have been learning about the MVC pattern, and we've been applying it to our website. In this case, the assignment was to add a link here in my account. Like when we press this link right here, it's going to take us to this Acme login page. Now you can see by the URL that when we click here, this takes us to the index.php inside the accounts folder. This would be the controller, and we're passing in as parameter the key value action login, and this is going to be filtered by the controller, and it's going to redirect us to this web page right here. The same thing is going to happen when we click on create an account. If we click on it, it also goes to the index.php inside the accounts folder, and this time we pass the value registration to the action key, and then so the controller is going to redirect us to this page. Both registration.php and login.php are inside the view folder of the project. Now if we click here on the home, or as well on the logo, it's going to take us back here. And just to check and validate, I have all my CSS in one CSS file. So this is the CSS validation. If we click here and validate local HTML, it shows that it's okay. If we go to my accounts, we validate the HTML here, and it's okay. And if we go to the registration account, we also see that it's okay. So this was the presentation, and